Hey, what is up guys, your tech guy here, and today in this video we're gonna unbox the SONY ZX110 headphones. So yeah, here's the package. I got this from the FLIPKART just now and let's unbox it. I got it for 549 rupees. If you wanna buy it, then the link is in the description box below. And so yeah, let's keep this thing aside, and you can see the packaging is pretty good, I would say. And also we have a bubble wrap. However, the packaging by Sony is not very much fancy. It just looks pretty decent, and you have the Sony branding here, and you can see the model name MDR ZX110A, and it's made in China. And we have some other stuff, and in the back there is nothing. And also we have 1-year warranty, and it says attention. The price quoted here is actually 1390 rupees, but I got it for 549, and also the manufacturing date is January. I got this for one of my uncles and I would be gifting it to him. So let's unbox the seal. So guys, yeah, this is unboxed, and let's open it up. I'm having a bit difficulty in opening it up. And you can see guys, so here we have the earphones, and inside this we get one instruction manual, which is not required. Obviously there is Chinese, there is English and other languages, and also it shows how you should connect and how you should wear the earphones. And these are actually foldable earphones, and there's nothing else in the package, so let's keep them aside. And there is also no warranty card provided in this box. So yeah, here we have the earphone itself, and you can see the technical specifications popping right here in the screen. And yeah, let's keep this aside. And you can see I've also got one before, but the quality is not improved. It's just the same thing. You can see it adjustable headband, and we have some kind of plastic over here which I'm gonna pull off. So yeah, let's keep this plastic aside, and you can see that it's untangible, and we have 3.5mm gold plated connector, and it's angled at 90 degrees, and the wire quality is very good, I would say, for the price. And doesn't feel cheap at all guys. And since it's foldable, you can also take it anywhere you want. So yeah, so if you want to buy this headphone, make sure you go into the description box below and check out from the link in the description. I got this for 549, which is not available right now because obviously, and I got it in the sale. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.